Is your company looking for new ways to serve your customers in the best possible way every single day? Sounds like an impossible task, but it's actually very easy once you've got the right tools. Livecom has been developing and refining tools like these for years now. But before we get to this, let's have a look at what your customers do when trying to get a response from your company. Nowadays, your customers are everywhere. Some try to contact you by email or phone. Others prefer chatting with a virtual assistant through your website, or using Twitter, Facebook, forums, and blogs. Your customers all have one thing in common. They don't care about your opening hours. They need an answer to their question right now. That's where Livecom comes in. At the moment, our platform is active in over 50 countries. To us, it doesn't matter which channel your customers prefer to use. We take them directly to your doorstep. And we don't just leave it at that. We also tell you whether or not you're dealing with a new customer. If he's familiar to your company, you will know everything relevant to serving him, including previous conversations. Livecom also provides a powerful knowledge-based system that proactively offers useful suggestions. So no more time-consuming searches. You'll find everything you need in just one single web application. So there you go. Livecom loves to make your customers and your people smile. As a consequence, you will see your sales grow beyond every expectation. Want to know more? We'd love to get you started too.